Hey, it's James Nicholson and I'm in Siem Reap today, and we've been in Angkor Wat today, which is really awesome. Now, a totally different place that we're at now is a place called Pub Street, and it's a pretty crazy place. Very, very different to what you'd expect in Cambodia. You can see it's just like all party sort of area, and I just thought the message that caught me here was that you need to stand out in business now. Like, there's a lot of tuk-tuk drivers and stuff like that around here. There's a lot of choice. Everything's commoditized, but some of them will stand out more than others. And that's what you need to do in your business. You need to make sure that you stand out and you're the one that's different, because some of these tuk-tuk drivers will make way more than others. Some of them are just lazy, sitting back, not offering anything in particular. Like this guy here, he's making a tout for some business from me, and some people don't. They just let you walk by, and maybe that's your business. Maybe you're not pushing to get as many customers as you can in business. So think about that, and think about how you can push yourself and get your name out there more in business. So hope that helps. See you soon, guys. Bye.